on what is a massive night for Argentinian football as a result of one man. A spectacular sight, the monument out as it is. And aside from a very small amount of visiting supporters, every single person inside wanting to get that potentially final glimpse. Tears later on. And I see a few tears in the stands as well. Messi leads out Argentina at the Monumental. And this evening, the final home World Cup qualifier.
Argentino, interpretado por la maravillosa cantora cordobesa María Eugenia Quevedo.
De dentro provincias, hoy no salud.
And in that familiar central midfield of Paredes and De Paul, holding everything together. We're slightly behind schedule here at the Monumental. The other three games.
Argentina, golazo de Messi, una jugada extraordinaria, magnífico, doblete para Messi.
This for Messi. Messi, the volley! And look what it means to Lionel Messi. Thought he had his first minute to go. Taken away for a foul after video review. The inevitable one levels the score just before halftime. Stands halftime in Fort Lauderdale. Lionel Messi.
Here come Miami again. Here comes Lionel Messi once more. Messi! My word, what a goal! Lionel Messi! Magnifique in Montreal!
In this first half, Busquets plays ahead. Messi on the run. Lionel Messi make it two. Unstoppable. And for the fourth straight MLS game, Lionel Messi has a brace.
So in the first half, Messi! Messi goes for goal and scores! Try as you might, you just cannot keep him quiet.
I mean, this is just about the connection and understanding that Jordi Alba and Messi have. I want you to watch Messi because...
Tate in the box, Lionel Messi. Messi out, wide shot, goal! Like a microwave, can't heat up any quicker than that. Lionel Messi for a 2-0 lead. You want instant impact, my goodness.
He just makes the game look so easy. First of all, Suarez.
On Allende. Sees it played back off the head, mistake by the Revolution, and oh, they paid for it well. Messi and Miami take the 1-0 lead. And it's a play Tanner Beeson will want back.
Now, you're always told
Of this MLS season, his 19th this year in all competitions.
the ball, and it goes through to Messi. But as a defender in those situations, he gets concerned at the last second. He's worried I might get kicked in the head. You know, when I'm going to...
Off the challenge. Still Busquets lays this ball off. This is Messi. Goes centrally, fires, goal! Lionel Messi, just like that. Into Miami on the board. It's 1-0.
welcome back. Lionel Messi has played his last home match and he will not play the match at home against, and this was his last match for Argentina, for his country at home club. And as we all thought that Lionel Messi will not play the World Cup 2026, but hopefully we saw that Lionel Messi can play World Cup 2026. He will play, inshallah.